Old bubbled window tint can reduce visibility while driving and increase heat inside the car. In this video, you'll see the step-by-step process for safely removing old tint and applying new film. You'll need the following tools: a tint removal blade, pre-taped masking film, a plastic scraper, a squeegee, an adhesive remover, a microfiber cloth, a spray bottle filled with soapy water, and a steamer or heat gun. Start at one edge and use the tint removal blade to scrape off the old tint. Use a steamer or heat gun to heat the tint, but be gentle to avoid scratching the glass or damaging the defroster lines. Continue heating and peeling off the tint until it's fully removed. Afterward, prepare the area by covering surrounding surfaces. Spray adhesive remover and wait a few minutes. Then use a plastic scraper to remove any remaining adhesive. Ensure there is no adhesive left on the glass. Thoroughly clean the rear windshield. Next, use a plotter machine to cut the template or hand cut the film. Lay the film on the outside of the rear windshield. Use a heat gun or hair dryer to heat the film until it starts to shrink, allowing it to conform to the window's shape. Heat the film evenly and use a squeegee to smooth out any remaining bubbles or wrinkles. Clean the windshield on both sides, paying special attention to the corners. Once the glass is thoroughly cleaned, spray soap water on the glass and the film as you peel. Gently place the film onto the glass and use a squeegee to remove any air bubbles and water. Allow the film to cure, which can take a few days.